So hi everyone, it's been quite a while and I really wanted to come here and shoot this video solely because for starters, I'm in Shimla and this is not like a planned thing. I really wanted to do a staycation somewhere else other than my house, and that's just because I wanted to have some new energy around me, and hence I decided to do the same. So being a content creator, I get to stay and talk to the owners of such properties. This is literally the balcony of my house and it is so freaking pretty. I'll just show you. So this is like a L-shaped balcony and this is how the valley looks like from here, and this is the entire balcony. So if you can see right there, this is a barbecue and we have a washing machine as well. And this area is like the best area of this B&B, which is literally sitting here. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this is the best area, and I really wanted to show you the property as well and talk about life in general. First, since it's already like 6 p.m, we are gonna be making our tea. I was literally looking for good properties everywhere, and the main problem was the kitchen. Oh my god, what is it with people in Shimla that own the properties here and not giving the kitchen? Like, they were like, we'll give you the slab, लेकिन बर्तन आप ले लो, स्टोव आप ले लो. I mean, what is up with that, bro? Like, कौन खरीदेगा? तो इसलिए I really recommend this property because you get stuff, and if you can see like how equipped this kitchen is. Like, there is microwave, there is sandwich maker, there's the whole stove which is perfectly working, then there is cutlery, and the best part is they have enough cutlery for everyone. We are just 2 people, but even if you have like 4 people here, it's like enough. So that's just one of the things I really liked about this place, and hence I booked it. So just a suggestion in case you're looking for it. One thing I really missed in my apartment back in Dehradun was, so ever since my lights, ये kitchen वाली lights खराब हुई हैं, I am like कि I don't know, this is I think something psychological, जिधर पे तुमको लगता है ना कि मतलब अगर तुम्हारे खाने पे ये light पड़ती है ना, तो you just feel like cooking more. That's just some psychological thing that I have. By the way, lighter कितना fancy था, did you see that? It's been quite some time. आज मैंने सुबह से चाय नहीं पी है, so I'll just do that. I wanted to answer some of the questions. Like, I did a Q&A on my Instagram yesterday, and many of you asked questions there. So one of the many questions, like right on the top of my head, is that you asked is like, how do you find books to read, and how do you decide कि ये वाली पढ़नी है और ये वाली नहीं पढ़नी, kind of. So I just wanted to say कि I need my adrak. Without adrak, I don't know how people are drinking tea. Like, that's the essence, man. By the way, we were on the books, how I decide. So basically what I do is, since I consume content on YouTube, and some of the creators really inspire me. So I really see like what they are reading, and I mostly go with that book that they are reading. At the same time, अगर मेरे को like recently I wanted to, learn something more about self-love. So I just put on Amazon books on self-love, और फिर Amazon पे जाके I see reviews. It's more like कि genuinely लोगों ने Amazon पे आके क्या comment किया है, that kind of reviews. And then अगर वो मेरे को सही लगता है, then I go for it. So yeah, that was the answer. जब तक ये चाय बनती है, I'll show you the rest of the B&B as well. The living room has sofas. It has enough workspace. We are 2 people, so we have our laptops and everything. That is like very easily we can, spend our time here. Like, we don't have to be in the room all the time, and we can actually, sit here and do the work. Then we have this huge space for kitchen, as you can see. The kitchen is, as I already said, काफ़ी सही है. You can work here, you can make anything you want. कल हम बहुत सारा grocery भी लेके आए for that. And then finally, this is the bedroom. चाय भी बन गई है, अब हम बातें कर सकते हैं. Let's do it. I'm gonna be putting out the questions, and let's see what all I can answer right now. This video is by the way very unplanned. मेरे को ये property दिखानी थी सबको, and I put this yesterday. So I was like, I can just, you know, mix match both the things so that even you can have the look of the property and you can get your answers as well. So I don't know, mostly because I am a lean girl, lean woman. I get this lot of questions which says, "Aap fit kaise ho? My tummy is out. And where's your tummy in the last pic? You're so hot. And how do you maintain yourself? You're so fit." So I just really wanted to say that I'm not fit. I really wanted to say this. Fitness has very, very, very little to do with how you look. So what makes my body look fit, which is just look, and it's just that I'm a lean woman, I'm not fit. Although I feel that if I'm mentally feeling a bit better, then I consider myself fit enough in terms of mentally fit, but physically I don't think I'm anywhere near, and whatever little I try to do, I do that. So I'll share a few free advice with you. Firstly, do not compare yourself with anyone on social media. Just because they're lean doesn't mean they're fit. Second advice is, do not eat all these Lay's, chips. Don't eat chips. Like basically anything which comes in packet, try to avoid that, because in my opinion also, the studies also prove this, कि उसमें sodium बहुत होता है, that keeps us bloated most of the time. So I feel that we should avoid that. And since I'm no nutritionist, I'm not saying कि don't do this, don't do that. I'm just saying you can avoid it if you really want to. One of the good things would be doing that. And third, I also always feel that home cooked food is much better than being like eating outside. Like even if you're having a plate of momo and you're having it like 3 times a week, I don't think you should do that. I think मेरा आंसर बहुत लंबा था. Another one is, what are the main techniques for manifestation? So I just want to say, that's why I've kept these 3 books here to answer this actually. If you're new to manifestation, firstly, there is so much talk of manifestation on the internet, on IG, on YouTube, everywhere. There's so much talk on it. So I really feel that, you know, learn on your own. First learn and then decide which one works the best for you. As I have tried a lot of manifesting techniques, I've realized not everything works for everyone. Like that's in everything, but not many people are talking about manifestation in this context. So I feel there's someone who is new to manifestation. This is the book I would highly recommend. This is, if you can see, this is Manifest by Roxy Nafousi. I highly recommend this book if you're someone who really want to make some changes in life. If I have to give a little review of this book, I would say this is basically 7 steps to living your best life, and in these 7 steps she's only talking about what are the manifestation techniques you can clarify for yourself what works for you. The best thing about this book is it has these little small exercises where you can actually, you know, do those exercises and get some clarity about yourself, and you will realize that these are the things that you also didn't know about yourself. So if you're not buying this book or you already know a bit about it, I will still give you the answer to your question, which is, what is your favorite manifestation technique? I always feel journaling is one of them, because journaling gives you at least this much of thing that, you know, what is it that you really want in life. Like journaling is one of the technique that gives you clarity, because most of the times we are trying to manifest something but we don't even know that what we want to manifest. Like what do we want in life? Like even till last month I was under this impression, what do I want? I don't have that clarity. Like if I want to be a successful content creator, then what does that successful means to me? And I had to write it down, and I was in such a huge confusion that it is so simple that I want this, but still I'm not able to explain the details of it. So they say that if you want to manifest something, you know, the more details the better. So if I would say, like, if you want to start manifesting something, just be clear on the max details of that, and journal, visualize and write it down every day so that your subconscious is aware, like, this is what you want, and accordingly your actions will, you know, conform to it. That today if I want to be fit, then tomorrow morning I'm going to the gym. Today if I want to do this, then tomorrow morning I'm doing this. So it is all just connected to what you want, like being clear in that and being reminded of that every single day. That's how I could tell it. Also, if you are buying this, in the next video, 100% sure I'm going to be telling you about this. I have just started it, like before leaving Dehradun, I ordered it from Amazon. This is the second volume of the first one. This is first volume and this is the second volume, which is Dive Deeper, which is even more steps than the 7 steps. And I really was interested in what this book is telling us. So this is basically why I have bought it, but I'll let you know once I read it. So I don't have much to talk about it. Other than both these books, I have this literally 175 rupees की e-book और इसका नाम है Feeling is the Secret. This is by Neville Goddard. I'm not sure मैंने pronounce सही किया नहीं, लेकिन ये मैंने Amazon से मंगाई है. तो अगर तुमको फटाफट से बुक पढ़नी है ना, और क्योंकि इसके पेजेस इतने से हैं और तुम्हें थोड़ा बहुत अपने माइंड मैनिफेस्टेशन, अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के बारे में समझना है, तो 175 रुपीज़ तुम खर्च कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. वाई? बिकॉज इट वॉज सो क्रिस्प. लाइक इसमें वो चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे ऑलरेडी पता है, लेकिन a good reminder is never bad. So I really feel that must be a book, and I just said extra in this question, but it's okay. We'll give it a shot. I think I will never be able to do like all the question and answers in any Q&A, but I'll still give it a shot. Also, there was this question about how did I decide on this place in Shimla. So I was telling before, I wanted to cook on my own all the days that I stay in. For now, it's just 7 days. And only this place had that facility. So I'll mention this place in caption, in the description, and as you already saw the photos and video, like you already saw the video of the place, I can assure you it's one of the best out here. The owner is extremely sweet, and I really feel like they also have a caretaker, by the way. तो तुमको बर्तन भी नहीं धोने हैं. लाइक द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर मी वॉज लाइक, क्योंकि मैं देहरादून में अपना खाना खुद बनाती हूँ, तो उसके बाद बर्तन भी मुझे धोने पड़ते हैं. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, आज मुझे बर्तन नहीं धोने, बिकॉज वो दीदी आई, वो बर्तन धो के चली गई. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स एनी ओनर कैन ऑफर यू एज अ लॉन्ग टर्म स्टे. सो आई थिंक वो अच्छी बात है. तो मतलब 2-3 चीज़ें हैं कि मैंने जिस वजह से इसको चूज़ किया है. टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड आई चूज़ दिस. केयरटेकर हो गया, वॉशिंग मशीन, मतलब वो मेरी लिस्ट में नहीं थी, बट अब है तो इट्स गुड इनफ. देन द बालकनी, ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर वेरी फ्यू हाउसेज दैट हैव द बालकनी. दे हैव लाइक क्यूट व्यू ऑफ सनसेट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट दे डोंट हैव अ बालकनी. सो आई रियली फील कि पूरा दिन एक रूम में नहीं बैठ सकते हो. यू रियली नीड दैट एयर व्हेन यू आर ऑन अ स्टेकेशन और वेकेशन और एनीथिंग. Okay, I'll take this last question because I have reached out the max limit. There are so many. Let me select. So what content does your page revolve around? To finally answer this one, now I'm remembering I forgot to wear my bangles. I love the sound of bangles in the video. It's sad. I'll keep thinking about it, so I'll just put this here. I am that kind of person who loves her accessories, and if I forget, my whole day is ruined. By the way, what my content is about, so my content is mostly about lifestyle, and when I talk about lifestyle, it's not just a cliche word, you know, lifestyle. It's mostly about what I do, how I shift my mindset from this to that, how I turn my journey from this to that. If I'm traveling, where am I traveling? Where am I visiting? Where am I staying? So everything is a part of my life, right? And sharing it with people online is like a blessing. So I really feel that me as a content creator, I feel that I can impact lives of a lot of people, and which really motivates me also to, you know, continue with this journey of sharing my life with you. So I think that's it. Books I read, my morning routine, my evening routines, my vacations. Mostly I take staycations and not vacations, because as a content creator, because I chose this for myself, I decided I don't want to stay in one place. And I have been staying in one place for long enough, because I had weddings in my house, and then I had a friend's wedding to attend, and then it was all like months I've been gone, and there's just like you're sitting in just one room, and that's just not me. I just lost my spark, and I felt it in my bones that I really need to get out. So I think that is it for today. One thing I really wanted to say was, like, before going, look for this stay in the description. Whenever you visit Shimla or you decide to visit Himachal for more than 2 days, I would suggest you come here. The vibe is like, it is non-comparable to any of the other stays I've visited. It's और अगर आप थोड़ा फ्री को, तो one of the best thing जो मैंने अभी तक mention ही नहीं करी इस जगह के बारे में, यहाँ जिम भी है. Like, are you serious? I really wanted to incorporate gym into my content somehow, और इधर पे वो है. Like, this is amazing. And gym भी है और वो aesthetic भी है. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप फिटनेस कंटेंट क्रिएटर हो या फिर आपको जनरली अपनी स्टेकेशन में फिटनेस को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना है, तो भी ये स्टे अच्छा है. ऑल्सो क्योंकि ये सोसाइटी में है, तो इट इज़ अ गेटेड सोसाइटी, तो वो वाला सीन भी ठीक है. दैट यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट योर सिक्योरिटी मच. जहाँ तक शॉप्स की बात है, दे आर ऑन अ वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस, सो यू गेट योर थिंग्स एंड यू कुक फॉर योरसेल्फ. एंड दीदी कम्स, वो बर्तन भी धो देती हैं, एंड थिंग्स आर सॉर्टेड दैट वे. So I think that's it. I'll see you in the next video. This was really fun. I hope to make more of the videos on this balcony while I'm still here. I have to think about a few topics and I shall do that. Tell me in the comments how you think about this video and I shall see you next time.